Reuben, thank you so much for that, man. And you're the guy that got me doing this BioLink page. With the way you did it was easy, and the way Hyena did it was easy, but I still cannot figure out how do you put the videos onto the page, the ones that I
Okay,
want in the order.
I got you, Jai. Okay, so here's how to create a specific BioLink page on Dubb. The first way to do it is to just actually take a video from your Dubb account in your library, change the slug, and you can use that as your BioLink video. But here is the special technology that we have that allows you to brand the URL with your username. Take a look at this. So what you're going to want to do is to go into the right side of your widget. This widget on the right side of your dashboard. This is where you want to start, okay? First thing you want to do is click on the cogwheel and find your video, which is right here. Now, if you want to have multiple videos on this page, it's very easy to do that. All you need to do is find the video in your Dubb library, and then once you find that video, you want to just go into the details page, the details tab right here. Go ahead and go into the details tab, go into the playlist, and then add your second video there. Okay, so now when I go back to the BioLink page, now if I select this video right here, it has multiple videos connected to it in the playlist. Okay, so now I have my single video and then my multiple videos there. You can add any of your social channels here. You can update this page, and then once you update this page, go ahead and go back to the BioLink section in your Dubb account on the right side, click on that link, and
Goal
boom,
is simple
you
to
will
help you
have
make
you will have your URL branded right here. In my case, it's Dubb.org/. Totally branded for me. I put a lot of work into this particular video. In fact, I would love to play it for you in just a moment here, just so you know what my BioLink video looks like. I'll do that now. If there's any questions, let us know in the chat, let us know in the comments. We are here to support you. Remember, creating content on social is all about creating your funnel. It's not about views, it's not about likes, it's not about comments. It's about how you monetize those channels, and the BioLink feature on Dubb allows you to do that. Without further ado, here is my BioLink video.
Hi, it's Reuben. Thanks for connecting with me on social. My goal is simple: to help you make better connections, have more meaningful relationships, and to scale your business. I'm a family guy, a public speaker, a musician, and the CEO and founder of Dubb. Dubb is the video sales system that lets you record, share, and track videos to win more clients. Since we started, over 80,000 people have signed up, and we've helped thousands of businesses get more growth. Consider connecting with me on different channels and grab a free trial to Dubb. Just click below to get started. Thanks, and see you on the other side.
So what I want to show is,
So that concludes the tutorial. Jai, thank you so much for asking the question.